Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to export contact on iPhone. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the contact app on your iPhone. Make sure you are on the list page. Then press and hold the contact you want to export. Now you should see export pop. So you can do this on any of your contacts. You can export email, export message, and export all. You see that? So once you press and hold and then click on export. Now hang on, then you should see a pop appear. So this is going to export all the check mark. If you don't want to export all check mark, go ahead and select all field or deselect all field. Now just go ahead and select last name, first name. If you want to export photo, select photo, and now go ahead and select mobile, but in my own case, I'll go with all field. Go ahead and click on the check mark at the top right. And then you should see that says all contact. Now you can export this to your WhatsApp, to Drive, to email, or any other application of your choice. In this case, let's export this to email. Select your email. And then you should see a pop. Then go ahead and type in the email address you want to export your contact to. Select it. And then click on send at top right. You should see exporting contact and done. This is going to export the contact to your email. You can now go ahead and open your mail. Then select the mail you exported the contact to. Then you should see that the contact will be sent to your inbox. You see that as a subject. So this is your contact exported in VCF. So you can just go ahead, download this, or do whatever you like with it. You can also serve as your backup contact, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to export contact on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.